Google just secretly dropped AI Edge Gallery, and it's insane. This experimental app lets you run powerful AI models completely offline and for free on your phone. Your phone becomes a pocket-sized AI powerhouse that can generate images on some complex question, write code, and chat with you all while you're on a plane or in the middle of nowhere. But here's the kicker. It uses your phone's own processor, which means your private conversation is still private right now. It's only on Android through GitHub, so iOS is coming soon. Google's call. An experimental alpha, but this feels like the future of AI happening right now. So let's dive in on how to use it. First, let's see how to download it. Head to GitHub. Open your browser and go to github.com/google/AI Edge Gallery. You'll see the repo with the latest tag. Right now it's version 1.0.3, but double check for updates. Grab the APK. Scroll to the Releases section. Click on Assets under version 1.0.3, then download Google AI Edge Gallery v1.0.3.apk. Make sure you have Install from Unknown Sources enabled in your Android settings. Setting Security Unknown Sources toggle on. Install the APK. Tap the downloaded.apk. Grant permissions when prompted. The app needs access to storage and camera for Ask Image. Boom! Once installation finishes, you'll see the Google AI Edge Gallery icon in your app drawer. First, launch and model download. Open the app. It'll ask you to download at least one model. Gemma 3N is recommended for a start. Tap Download and try, and let it pull the .flight file over Wi-Fi. Pro tip, models can be hundreds of MB. Make sure you're on a solid connection. Once the model finishes, the app unpacks and prepares it. You're officially offline AI ready. Please note that if you're on iOS, any iPhone or iPad running iOS 17 or later, keep an eye out. Google says the iOS build is coming soon. When it drops, the process will likely mirror Android, sideload via test flight or a dedicated .ipa from GitHub. Now let's break down its core features. Ask Image. Ask Image enables instant on-device analysis of any photo, no network connection required. Upload an existing image or capture a new photo. The selected model processes the image entirely on your device and gives the output within seconds. It can generate concise description of images, helps you identify or translate any image, recognizes and solves printed or handwritten content, for instance, parses a math problem line by line and returns step-by-step solutions. Real-world applications. Translate foreign language menus offline. Scan and digitize handwritten notes. Analyze technical diagrams, e.g., identify and label electronic components on a wiring schematic. Prompt Lab. Prompt Lab offers 4 single-turn LLM functions, each executed locally. Freeform. Generate or refine arbitrary text, such as summaries, creative prose, or professional correspondence. Rewrite Tone. Adjust the style of existing text. Select a target tone, e.g., Gen Z raw, formal, and receive a rewritten version that matches the chosen voice. Summarize text. Condense longer passages into concise bullet points or brief overviews, e.g., reduce 500 words of notes to 3 key takeaways. Code Snippet. Automatically generate programming examples. AI Chat. AI Chat provides a multi-turn conversational interface running entirely on device. Model selection. Choose from available local models, e.g., Gemma 3N 1.5b, Hammer 2.1.1 ST. User interaction. Enter any query or prompt. The model returns structured suggestions. Advantages. Remind you again, this is completely available offline. Full functionality without Wi-Fi or cellular data. Also, your conversations with this AI model never leave the device. Now, what could be the real-life scenarios of this AI tool? Offline translation, rural travel in areas with unreliable connectivity. Ask Image translates a menu from Hindi to English in real time, enabling accurate ordering without cellular data. Academic writing, late-night study. A student offline rewrites a 2,000-word essay on Carl Jung into a 500-word summary using Prompt Lab, improving clarity and structure without internet access. In-flight coding, airplane mode. A developer troubleshooting C# async errors relies on AI Chat with Hammer 2 to generate a working code snippet at 30,000 feet, independent of cloud-based IDEs without any internet connection. Pretty cool, right? But everything has a catch. Let's dive into the drawbacks and caveats. Performance versus cloud AI. Even high-end mobile GPUs cannot match the fluency or context length of cloud-based models like ChatGPT-4. Occasional hallucinations or incomplete responses may occur. Storage requirements. Models typically range from 200 megabytes to 1.2 gigabytes. Devices with limited storage must manage space accordingly. Thermal throttling. Prolonged GPU usage can cause device heating and throttling. Users should monitor temperature and consider external cooling solutions. Alpha stage instability. Expect occasional app crashes, UI irregularities, and missing iOS support until the beta release. Google AI Edge Gallery shows us a future where powerful AI lives in our pockets, not on remote servers. If you're building privacy-first apps traveling off-grid, or just love tinkering, download the latest release from GitHub, install the APK, and start experimenting today. If you want some of the hidden apps from GitHub, comment hidden apps, and I will tag you in the next video dedicated to it. And don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the latest AI tools. See you in the next video.